Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 390 horsepower engine for our customer's 1969 Ford Bronco. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. Again, we have the 302 Ford engine. We have the Rollercam in there, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. Engine block painted the Ford blue with the brass freeze plugs. This is the proper rear sump oil pan for the 69 Bronco. We have the braided dipstick and tube assembly on there. AFR aluminum cylinder heads on there. We have the Ford Racing valve covers with the matching air cleaner. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. We have the distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil. We have the Holley carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball, and bracket. We have the proper standard flywheel on here. This is the 50-ounce balance, 164 tooth flywheel. Customer's running a ZF5 5-speed standard transmission on there. So this is the proper flywheel. Pilot bearings installed. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed for any vacuum hookups on the intake manifold. Heavy duty Russell PCV hose and PCV valve. Electric choke wire. Chrome fuel line. Heavy duty Russell fuel line. This real nice 2-belt serpentine pulley kit on here. 140 amp 1-wire hookup alternator right there. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. 69 Bronco has a lower hose on the passenger side. That's correct. High flow aluminum water pump. Standard rotation. We have the coolant bypass hose on there. High flow thermostat in there. Correct thermostat housing for the 69 Bronco. Power steering pumps on there. Belts are all lined, all set. Every engine is fully tested and live run for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the ignition timing with the timing light. We checked for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over, so you know when you put this engine in, it is 100% perfect. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847. You can send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. It's a family-owned and operated business, been in business since 1969. So there you have it, our 302 Ford 390 horsepower engine, the 1969 Ford Bronco. Thanks for watching.